Hey, teach me para para. Hey, teach me para para. Hey,
That'd be like smooth.
what?
Can you teach me para para? You know why? Porque todos necesitan. All I need is a teacher para me so I can learn to speak with fluency.
Sit down and listen for a couple seconds. Parlay me information so you speak it right.
Everybody go to Spain for the airplane. You go for a day para, relax and get some sunny rays. I ain't from Spain, but I got a lot of change. I take all of my dollars and I use por to exchange.
When I say estoy por, it means in favor of. I hang por la carne por la mañana cada dia. What?
Next time you go para supermarket, bring home some bread para mama que se llama Margaret. Guess what? Estás para aprender. This stuff is interesting, so I'ma teach it to you. Teach me para para, teach me para para. Teach me para para, teach me para para. Everybody learn it, everybody use it. Everybody learn it, everybody need it. Teach me para para, teach me para para. Teach me para para, teach me para para. Everybody learn it, everybody use it. Everybody learn it, everybody need it.
My name is Tali, and this is my girl Luki. I'ma teach you pori para, so sit down on your booty when I'm trying to say instead of I always use para, but when saying for the sake of I'll use por to be clara. When you want your speech to fit like a glove or mitten, go to the piss or por un little kitten. I did my homework para la mañana. Espero que saque une, cause you know I wanna.
When I wanna go for ice cream, I just walk down the street. It's really quite convenient porque quiero una treat.
Next time you're feeling sick and you're stuck at home in bed, I'll bring over some apple for the sake of your sick head.
Harry Potter is born, the author J.K. Rowling. I looked por la window when I was finished bowling. Then I could see por todos lados.
It was awesome!
You taught me pori para, taught me pori para. You taught me pori para, taught me pori para. Everybody learned it, everybody used it. Everybody learned it, everybody need it. You taught me pori para, taught me pori para. You taught me pori para, taught me pori para.